We have a cold Arctic blast coming from the Baja. Climate change and stuff. But here in Yuma, Arizona, it's a freezing 47 degrees. 47 degrees outside. Drinking coffee out here. There's my mom's coffee cup, Paradise. She loved pears. She passed away about 10 years ago. She loved coffee. I love heat pumps. Here's my Frigidaire 5-ton. Cool heats. It's a heat pump. Heats and cools my sheet metal shop here in Yuma, Arizona. Heats it up. Heats up my sheet metal shop. We'll go inside and look at the sheet metal shop right now. But just want to talk about condensation or defrost. So we have about 48 degrees, and the dew point is at 46. The heat pump is on the heating mode, just right for condensation. So as the unit's running, frost accumulates on the outdoor coil, and since it's and you can see the water dripping off that coil. It's natural. This is called condensation. See the water dripping off that coil. Let me show you the pressures and the temperatures. So, pressure and temperature relationship. The condenser discharge is about 137 degrees. And if you look at the suction, the return, it's 36.8. So the water in the coil, the water in the air tends to stick to some of the capillaries, some of the coils through this. So at 36.8, you don't have complete freezing conditions. That would be at 32 degrees. But we do have some ice forming. So this unit is constantly defrosting the water sticking on that coil. Let's go inside and check out the heating mode. Let's take our thermometer. Something interesting is not only do heat pumps defrost, so do roofs. Look at all the water running off our roof. Look at the floor. That's all defrost. You can see the water defrosting on that. Running off onto the ground. So we're gonna go into the sheet metal shop and check out the air handler side of the heater. So our heat pump, when I turned it on, it was about 50 degree indoor, about half an hour ago. We're about 60 degrees indoor with my door open. Here's my Ring 5-ton air handler. Single discharge with my red, white, and blue stamp registers. And there's a 2-stage, almost a universal Venstar Wi-Fi thermostat. Let's go back to temperature now. Okay. 61.3, 61.5. I don't know why my thermometer went to dew point. I'm not touching it. I just want temperature. But there you have it. On the heating mode, especially on this freezing day here in Yuma, Arizona. For us, it's freezing. Arctic blast coming in from the Baja. 45-degree outdoor. Man, I don't know how the folks up north do it when it gets down to 30 or colder. But here we got to turn on our 5-ton R22 heat pump and blast it. Let's go look outside. So what we have is we have condensation or defrost. When you're operating a heat pump, even at 47-degree outdoor, you're operating a heat pump, you're going to get defrost on the ground. You're going to get that. That's why we got our heat pumps on this stand, so the water will run off and not set on the steel and concrete and rust up the the condenser. I should put a tray and put it on my beautiful clean palm, but that's fine. Okay, any questions? Call Air Central, ask for Jesse. 329-7384 about condensation and defrost.